Assalamu alaikum and hello internet, welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can replace an air filter on your Audi A6 C8. So stay with me till the end of the video. So first of all, you see these clips, you lift it up with a screwdriver and they will pop out, and there's one clip over this side. Once these clips are popped out, there's a clamp here which is holding out to this big hose, so you unscrew that, will be easily come out. Once this pipe is out, I would recommend you put a socks or something or a towel or something on top of it. So like you see, this is up, this is up. There is a small V clip here which you pull it up and down, and this will come out like that. You lift this V tag up, which is over here, and you twist it. Yeah. So now you can see the air filter is sitting inside, and how dirty is the filter. So we slowly take this filter out. Look at that. Oh my god. So Audi was asking £250 to change this filter. So this filter is about £50. I bought it from Audi. So guys, this is the filter which I bought from Audi, and it's a new filter. It cost about £50, £51 including that. So show you a difference between this and this. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel so you do not miss out on any video like that. Thank you. What we do is now that we'll put this inside the box and make sure it fits on top of that hole. So now we have put the air filter inside, and the cover, we'll put the cover in. So you make sure that it locks in place. It's very simple and easy. As you can see, it locked in place itself. It's all sealed from these sides, so there is no dust or air can go inside. So once this is done, we use this pin, the one we take it out, and we put it in back like this. We push it in. This is in all the way in, and this grey tab all the way down. So this is locked in place. Now the thing left is this hose pipe. To do the hose pipe, I have covered with the socks. I will take the socks off, and we will put the hose pipe back on again and make sure it's all secured. So this hose pipe is on now, so we're gonna tie this hose pipe, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video so far, and if this video saves you some money, please comment in the comment section so I can make these kind of videos more. So I would say bye to you, and stay tuned with my channel for more videos. Thank you, and Allah Hafiz.